Today, we're diving into the new 2026 JF-17 Thunder, Pakistan's latest evolution of its lightweight multi-role fighter jet. This upgrade pushes the Thunder closer to true 4.5 generation capability while keeping it affordable and combat-ready. Evolution of the JF-17 program. The JF-17 Thunder has steadily evolved from an entry-level fighter into a highly capable combat aircraft. The 2026 variant builds on the success of Block 3, focusing on advanced electronics, better networking, and improved survivability to meet modern battlefield demands. Next-generation avionics. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 JF-17 is its upgraded avionics suite. The aircraft features an improved AESA radar, offering longer detection range, precise target tracking, and strong resistance to electronic jamming. A fully digital glass cockpit with a wide-area display, modern HUD, and hands-on throttle and stick controls gives pilots faster decision-making ability in high-threat environments. Engine and flight performance. Powered by an improved RD-93 series engine, the 2026 JF-17 delivers better thrust, smoother acceleration, and enhanced high-altitude performance. Improved aerodynamics and flight control systems increase maneuverability, making the jet more effective in dogfights as well as long-range interception missions. Weapons and multi-role capability. The new JF-17 Thunder supports a wide range of modern weapons. These include beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, short-range dogfight missiles, precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and standoff weapons. Enhanced data link capability allows the jet to share real-time combat data with other aircraft, AWACS, and ground control units. Electronic warfare and survivability. Survivability is a key focus for the 2026 upgrade. The aircraft includes advanced electronic warfare systems, radar warning receivers, and countermeasure dispensers. These systems help detect threats early and protect the jet against modern air defense systems. Why the 2026 JF-17 matters. The new 2026 JF-17 Thunder offers a powerful balance of performance, technology, and cost. It strengthens Pakistan's air power while remaining attractive for export, proving that modern air combat capability doesn't have to come with extreme costs. Closing, Bike Zone. That's our 3-minute overview of the new 2026 JF-17 Thunder. Stay tuned to Bike Zone for more updates on next-generation fighters, military tech, and advanced machines.